Tiimo App tutorial. So here is the app. It's going quite popular these days. It's a very nice visual planner. Just basically a task manager app. You might ask, there are like hundreds of these apps, but this app is famous for its design, its inclusivity. It has a long history, but finally, recently, it's really getting into top charts. Your daily planning toolkit for stress-free time management and focus, designed for ADHD, autism, or those who simply need a more visual way to organize their day. Tiimo is here to help you simplify planning, build focus, and make life happen. So 500 users, 500,000 users, and it has color-coded daily overview of all your plans, focus timer to help you stay on task, AI-powered checklist, calendar, and reminders. You can also import them. You can use iPhone, iPad, web, Apple Watch, up to 5 profiles. Here's how the app looks like. You can just go in here, and this is a very limited free option, but yep, they have a free version. Here's how it looks like. You just tap add task in the bottom, and then you just add it like that. And then here you have visuals. You can just add different emojis or visuals. AI automatically picks up something for you. You can set up date, time. You can add repetition. You can add subtasks with AI. And then here's how it looks like. It's a free option. You can add additional notes. And then basically that's how it works. You just add it here, and then you just have this nice visual plan. Then you can just do a daily check-in just to schedule it for yourself and reflect which tasks are here for your day. You can also enable reminders. You can add smart widgets. Then if you want to import your calendar from Google Calendar or Apple Calendar, it's a paid feature. And then, you have daily reviews also for you, just to one review per day, just to reflect on your tasks. You also have an inbox in the top right, where you just go to this inbox and you can see all the tasks. Then you have your profile. Again, a lot of tutorials, nicely designed. You can see some nice stats. Here is how you can just use it here. You can also invite friends, so feel free to invite it here. So that's what it is. Then there is a focus, where you can just enable this kind of focus, just like Pomodoro technique or something else. You can also join others in this visual focus. You can select some music, just to explore that. And then there are a lot of different tasks for you. There are a lot of different topics, scheduling things, just different courses, different articles, and then there are just additional tools here. You can explore it. Overall, very nicely designed app, very simple to use. And if you want to upgrade, you just go to settings. You see that calendar import, reminder import, app icons, these are all blocked. You need to upgrade. If you want to upgrade, here it is. So you have monthly plan or annual plan. Annual plan has a 7-day free trial. Monthly plan doesn't have a free trial. And then, you just have it here. So you just see, it's quite a cheap app, honestly. If you select yearly, $40 per year, it's quite a good price, because apps are getting more and more expensive. So it's a good deal, I would say. So there you have it. So that's what it is.